Stretching before any workout activity can be tedious and boring. However, in reality, it's important to stretch before any workout so that it keeps the muscles flexible and healthy. Not stretching before a workout is an issue because it puts an individual at a higher risk for joint pain, strains, and muscle damage. Furthermore, it can also create a secondary injury to an initial injury that was there already before. According to an article in PubMed called "The Effects of Lifetime Physical Fitness Course on College Students," stated that college students are more prone to weight gain and obesity, as well as developing unhealthy behaviors. For instance, the American College Health Association reported that 1 in every 3 college students was either overweight or obese in the United States. Not only is stretching important, but also healthy physical activities as a whole. In addition, according to the CDC, the percent of adults 18 years and over who met the physical activity guidelines for aerobic and physical muscle strengthening was only 20%. Common injuries in the gym are muscle pull and strain, sprained ankle, and knee injuries. An article called "Epidemiology for Hospital-Treated Injuries Sustained by Fitness Participants" found that females ages 25 to 34 tended to sustain injuries to the lower limb, and males ages 18 to 24 tended to sustain injuries to the upper limbs. It's important to have adequate time to warm up and strengthen muscle before working out to prevent any injuries in the future.
There is no difference between males and females and injury due to lack of stretching before a workout routine. For our methods, we decided to observe at the Fresno State Gymnasium located at the Save Mart Center. I went 2 days. The first day was Monday on November 7th at 7:30 p.m. And the second day was Friday, November 18th at 12:30 in the afternoon. I decided to go to different days because I know there is a different volume of people at night than during the day. Due to classes and work during the day, some people cannot work out during the day, so they go at night when everything is finished. For my tools, I walked into the gym and found a spot on the mat to start recording my observations. I used my phone, and on my phone I used the app Notes to record the amount of women and men that came into the gym within an hour. I timed myself by using a timer to know exactly when my hour is up so I could leave and finish my observations. Each session was exactly 1 hour. Monday night had a higher volume of people than Friday. Most of the people that entered the gym were in groups, so it was easier for me to record how many people came in at a time and who stretched and who didn't. There were some problems in recording my observations because most people wanted to go into the locker room to change before starting the workout session. But I still managed to track the people and find them and see if they stretched before starting a workout routine. Though there were some difficulties, I got the right amount of my sample population that I needed to distinguish if men stretched before or if women stretched before making a workout routine.
We began our observations on the campus gym starting November 7th. We went from 7:30 to 8:30 p.m. We viewed a total of 63 people, of which of those 63, 7 males and 17 females did stretch before workout, which means that 22 males and 17 females did not stretch. For November 18th, we went from 12:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. During that time, 7 males did stretch, and as well as 5 females, which means out of the 42, 17 males did not stretch and 12 females did not stretch. So for the 7th, that was a total of 24% of males that did stretch, and for females that was 50%. On the 18th, 29% of males did stretch, and the same 29% for females did stretch. That goes against the data that we found from the CDC that stated women are 1.6 to 2.1 times more likely to have a risk of injury than men. In our case, for the 7th, women were 2.42 times more likely to stretch than males. However, on the 18th, men were 1.4 times likely to stretch than compared to females. Based on our hypothesis, females are less likely to have physical injuries during workouts because they are more likely to stretch before workout, meaning that they are more likely to be prepared for the stress of a workout than compared to men who would begin workout straight away without warming up first.
So what does our data mean? It basically means that more students are coming to the gym and exercising, which sounds like a benefit, but we've also noticed that many are coming in, taking part in exercising, but not doing the proper preventative steps to reduce risk of injury. We've noticed a neglection of stretching, cool downs, and warm-ups. Stretching allows our body to be more flexible and also increases our joints' range of motion. So with our joints having a stronger range of motion, it allows our body to be less susceptible to injury and not enter a workout with cold muscles. Warm-ups allow your body temperature to increase and also increase your blood flow circulation. Cool downs are aimed to reduce adrenaline and also your heart rate. We've seen a lot of students just walking straight out of the gym after they've finished their workout, which is not the best option to do because it also increases your chances of stiffness for the next day and also post-workout dizziness. So what are the factors behind this? Well, students are students and we have a lot of workload, studying classes, part-time, full-time work, and studying for a workout just seems like extra work. So what can we do or recommend to help students be more knowledgeable about exercising? Well, here at the Fresno State Rec Center, there's plenty of group fitness classes, all taught by certified student instructors. Now, these student instructors have put in hours and studied and have certifications that allow us to provide safe and effective workouts and also ask a lot of questions. It's convenient, it's fun, and my recommendation is that all students should at least try a couple group fitness classes, ask the questions that you need, and I'm sure that we'll have an answer for you.